Okay, hello and welcome guys. My name is Frank, musician, photographer from the Midwest, and today we're going to test out the audio capabilities of the Saramonic Smart Rig 2. So what you're listening to right now is the audio directly from the Samsung J3. We're going to do a test. 1, 2, 3. Audio test with the Samsung. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so audio test number 1. This is going to be with the Comica Lavalier mic. It is now hooked up to the phone, and we have it turned on to phantom power. So in order to use the Lavalier mic, we have it turned on to phantom power, and it's connected. I'm monitoring out the sound on the playback. So this is Comica 1, 2, 3 audio test for Comica Lavalier mic. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, audio test number 2, this time using the AKG mic Perception condenser microphone. It is once again hooked up to the Saramonic, and it's going in through the XLR. Phantom power is turned on. I did not change the gain. It's staying roughly in the middle. So testing the AKG 1, 2, 3. Audio test for AKG microphone and Saramonic 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, this is test number 3, and now we're using the Audix condenser mic ADX51. Alright, so that's first time trying it out, testing 1, 2, 3. So I'm switching it out. It's got the shock mount, and I'm still using the pop filter, and it's still connected. We're using the Smart Rig 2 by Saramonic, and I have the monitor out for monitoring my sound afterwards. So testing the Audix. So test for the Audix ADX51. Testing 1, 2, 3. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, fourth and final test. This is using a Sennheiser microphone at the phantom power on. With the Saramonic, it's still at the same level as it was before. Now we're doing the audio test, and I took the pop filter down. Testing 1, 2, 3 audio tests for the Saramonic Smart Rig 2. Testing 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope you liked it. We're going to do a little comparison to see which one was the best one. I think this one sounds really good. So let me know in the comments which ones you guys think is the best one. And if you want to know more about the Smart Rig 2, feel free to comment, and I'll fill you in. This is being powered by a 9-volt battery, just so you know. And then to monitor your audio, you need to install an app. Right now, you can monitor your audio, but only after the recording, which is, it's not a bad thing. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.